world of A Bug's Life. I'm lost! From the creators of Toy Story.
Absolutely nothing. Nothing at all.
I think he was laughing at us.
You know something? You're a real bright little lamp.
Oh, thanks. Hey.
You guys really have an attachment for that kid, don't you?
Yes, he was a master.
Well, that's real nice. And any day now he might come romping back, huh? Just come whistling right back in through that door and everything'll be the same. Real peachy keen like.
Uh-huh.
It's a possibility.
Well, at least we try to be optimistic.
Optimistic? Somebody untie the knot in this guy's cord.
Why don't you just shut off?
Hey, I'm real scared there, Kirby. What are you gonna do, suck me to death? What is it with you guys anyway? You act like you just came off the assembly line. Now get this through your chrome. We've been dumped, abandoned.
But he loved us.
That's right.
So what? He's a kid. He has a family. They move away, he moves away. It's a package deal.
But maybe they're
He's
all...
not coming back, pure and simple.
Oh, yeah? Did you talk to him recently or something? They could drive up any second.
You really think so?
I'm not talking to you.
The whole bunch of you gotta have a combined wattage of 5, maybe less. It's been years. It's scrap metal time.
Well, you can do what you like. We're not gonna give up hope.
That's real touching, Toaster. You're gonna get me bawling like a baby any time now.
I think you're jealous.
Sure, I'm jealous of a bunch of dimwits.
Them?
Yeah, because the master never played with you.
'Cause you're stuck in the wall.
It's back to that stupid static again. You think I don't know what's going on in here? I know what goes on in this cottage. It's a conspiracy. And every one of you low-watts is in on it. Just 'cause you can move around, you think you're better than I am. I'm not an invalid. I was designed to stick in a wall. I like being stuck in this stupid wall. Open if the kid was too short to reach my dials.
We didn't